Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 35 of half yearly, and today's SW number will be 23. My dear student, today's topic is exercise 7a. From that chapter we shall solve question number 1 to 5 as your CW, and HW is given after completing our class. Okay, so my dear student, let us start our class. Here exercise 7a, lecture number 35. So first question number 1 and sub number 3. The question is, how many 0.001 is make 23.456. I repeat, how many 0.001 is make 23.456. My dear student, before starting to solve this math, I shall give you an example. If I ask you a question, how many 2's make 8? Dear student, notice how many 2 makes 8. So in order to get this math, get the answer, so what can we do now? We divide this 8 by 2 and we get the required number of 2's. That means 2 divided by 8 and we get 4. That means 4 2's make 8. I hope you have understood. Just like this, we shall solve this problem. How many 0.001 is make 23.456. That means we divide 23.456 divided by 0.001 and we get the answer. So my dear student, let us start to solve this math. 1 3. Here 23.456 divided by 0.001. Dear student, at first we write this number as fraction. That means without this point. So we write this number. At first we write this number without point. So 2 3 4 5 6. Then we give a fractional sign. After that, for this point, I repeat, for this point I write here 1, and after point how many digits are there? 1 2 3. So 30 is written here. I hope you have understood. So for this point I write here 1, and as after point there are 3 digits, so I write here 30. If there are 2 digits, then I write 20. If there are 4 digits, then I write here 4 zeros. Okay, then division sign is there. After that 0.00, that means at first we write the number without point. So I write here 1. Why 1? Because the left 0 has no value. So I write here 1. And for this point I write here 1. And after point how many digits? 1 2 3. So for this 3 digit I write here 3 zeros. I hope you have understood. Now 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 1000 multiplied by 1000 by 1, and we get, notice why this is. We know that division of one fraction by another fraction by the multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. That means we cut, now we cut 1000 by 1000 and we get 1 by 1. Then as a numerator there are 23,456 and denominator 1 and 1. So we multiply this one and we get 23,456, and it is the answer. That means we write here 2 3 4 5 6 is the answer. No need to write anything. This is the answer. Okay, that means how many 0.001 make 23.456? The answer will be 23,456. So question number 1 is done. Next we shall solve question number 2. Okay, from 2 there are a lot of questions, but we shall solve only question number 7. Here you notice the question is 0.007 multiplied by 8. Dear student, please notice. We multiply 0.007 by 8. That means 8 sevens are what? 8 sevens are 56. From 56 I write here 6 carrying 5. Now 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5 we write here 5. Then 8 zeros are 0. We write here 0. And for this point I write here point. After that 8 zeros are 0. So what will be the answer? 0.056 is the answer. So as our solution is done, we must write answer. Okay. My dear student, it is multiplication by single digit. So it is so easy and you can solve this math in a line. Okay. Next we shall solve question number 3. From 3 we shall solve question number 11. Here the question is 4.07 multiplied by 8. So 4.07 multiplied by 8. No, it will be 0.507 multiplied by 8. Okay. 311 number question, 0.507 multiplied by 8. Okay. So now we do multiplication. It is also multiplication by single digit. So just like the previous one. So 8 sevens are what? 8 sevens are 56. From 56 I write here 6 carrying 5. So 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5 it will be 5. Okay. Next we multiply 8 with 5. 5 8s are what? 5 8s are 40. From 40 I write here 0 carrying 4. Okay. Now 8 zeros are 0 plus 4 4. So 4.056 is the answer of this question. As our solution is done, we must write answer. Okay. Next we shall solve question number 12. And the 12th number question is 2.954. 2.954 multiplied by 5. Dear student, now 5 4s are what? 5 4s are 20. From 20 I write here 0 and carrying 2. Then 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 27. From 27 I write here 7 carrying 2. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 2 47. From 47 I write here 7 carrying 4. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 it will be 14. Dear student, now please notice 1 2 3, that means after point there are 3 digits. For these reasons I give here this point. Okay. My dear student, you should bear in mind that after point 1 2 3 digits. So here we also after point 3 digit remain, that means 7 7 0 3 digits. So we write here this point. Okay. So this is the answer 14.77. No need to write 0 and this 0 has no values. Okay. Next we shall solve question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. 11. 4.07 multiplied by 58. So we write here because it is multiplication by 2 digit number. So 4.07 multiplied by 58. First of all we multiply 4.07 by 8 and now we consider there is no point. So first of all 8 sevens are what? 8 sevens are 56. From 56 I write here 6. Now carrying 5. 8 zeros are 0 plus 5 5. Now 8 4s are 32. Okay. So this one is done. Next we multiply 405 by 5. As ones place is done, we write here 0. Now 5 sevens are what? 5 sevens are 35. From 35 I write here 5 carrying 3. 5 zeros are 0 plus 3 3. Okay. 5 4s are 20. Okay, now dear student, 6 is written here. 5, 5, 10, carrying 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6, 3 and this 2. So, notice after point there are 2 digits 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2 we write this point here, that means 236.06 is the required answer. So, answer is 236.06 is the required answer. Okay, 11 number question done. Next we shall solve question number 12. So dear student, 12 number question is 2.08 multiplied by 75. Here 2.08 multiplied by 75. So first of all we multiply 2.08 by 5, then we multiply 2.08 by 7. So at first we consider there is no point. 5 8 are 40. From 40 I write here 0 carrying 4. Now 5 zeros are 0 plus 4. Okay, 5 2s are 10. I hope you have understood. I repeat, 5 8s are 40. From 40 I write here 0. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4 4 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, as ones place done we write here 0. 7 8s are 56. From 56 I write here 6. Then carrying 5, 7 zeros are 0 plus 5 5 and 7 2s are 14. I write here 14. Now we do addition 0, 4 6, 10 carrying on 5 on 6 and 4 on 5 and 1. So notice after point there are 2 digits 1 and 2. So where will be the point? The point will be here and the answer is 156, and we know that after point the 0 has no values. So we write 156. Next our last question, question number 5. From question number 5 we shall solve question number 4. 5 4. The question is 8.9 multiplied by 100. Dear student, we shall solve this math by easy method. So first of all we consider there is no point. So 8.9 multiplied by 100. So we consider this is 8.9 and this is 1. So we multiply 89 by 1. 9 ones are 9 and 8 ones are 8. Then how many zeros are there? 2 0, 1 0, 2 0. So this 2 0 is written here. Dear student, after point how many digit? After point 1 digit. So where the point will be placed? Here. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 890. Okay, I hope you have understood. So my dear student, this is our today's lecture, and your SW number from 1 you shall solve question number 2, from 2 you shall solve question number 8, from 3 you shall solve question number 9 10, and from 4 you shall solve 9 and 10 also. So my dear student, this is your SW, and your SW number 23. You must do your assign SW in your SW copy, submit it regularly in our school campus. In every Saturday you must submit your SW within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.